Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, square root of 9, n equals n. First step, square both sides. Okay, I square both sides here, and I'm left with 9n equals n squared. Let's bring the 9n over and subtract 9n to both sides. So that's 0 equals n squared minus 9n. Now I need to factor that. Just pull out an n here. So 0 equals n times n minus 9. Set both parts equal to 0, and we're left with n equals 0 and a positive 9. Okay? So those are my two solutions, but I have to check for extraneous ones. So I'm going to take n equals 0 first. I'm going to substitute it into my equation here. So square root of 9n equals n. 0 goes in for n. Square root of 9 times 0 equals 0. 9 times 0, just like anything times 0, is 0. So we have square root of 0 equals 0. And the square root of 0 is just 0. Almost redundant, but it's all good. And they're equal, right? Left and right hand side are good, equal. 0 is a true solution. Let's go try 9. So we have n equals 9. I'm going to take my equation here. 9n equals n. Plug 9 in for n. So we have square root of 9 times 9 equals 9 here. 9 times 9 is 81. So we have square root of 81 equals 9. Square root of 81 is just 9. 9, in fact, does equal 9. True statement. Making that also a real solution, right? Left and right side are equal. True solution. No extraneous solutions here. So we have n equals 0 and 9. And that, folks, are our two answers. So let's recap. We started with square root of 9n equals n. I squared both sides and then brought the 9n over to the right, leaving me with 9n squared minus 9n equals 0. Factored that, and I got n times n minus 9, and we solved that. Set both parts equal to 0, n equals 0, and n minus 9 equals 0, giving us 0 and 9 as our two solutions. I then checked. I put both of those into my original equation. When I simplified 0, I got 0 equals 0 on both sides, meaning that's a real solution. It's a true statement right here. Same thing with 9. Plugged 9 into my equation, simplified. When I did that, the 9s were also equal. 9 equaled 9, making this 9 here a true solution. There was no extraneous solutions in this problem, and so our final answer is n equals 0 and 9.